Hey everybody, Dr. Matt Buffin here, and want to talk about something that comes up fairly frequently, especially with the case this week. And the person was reporting that when they twist, their back pain gets a lot worse, and he wasn't talking about a song with the twist and shout or dancing in that way. So what was going on with that? And so when we really look at this case, let's break it down into the details. So it's a gentleman in his 50s, and he's had a career in construction, and so there's significant degeneration and wear and tear and arthritis in his back. So when we have that, let's think about what's actually happening here and zoom in here on the spine. So in the low back, these joints at the vertebrae here, they like to flex and extend when they're healthy and have the ability to do so. When we twist, it gets jammed up. So these joints aren't where we have a primary movement of rotation. It's actually a relatively small area of rotation in our spine compared to in the mid-back, we have the ability to rotate because these joints are oriented differently, and this allows for that freedom to rotate. So when we get in and look at it, okay, so what's happening? Well, he's twisting, the joints where there's arthritis and degeneration are jamming, and it's creating pain at the moment and also for the next day or two. So in the case, we looked at, okay, what are the things that we need to help you with so that you can continue to move forward? So we're able to unload the tissues to the point of having no adhesion. When the adhesion is gone, the joints can move better. They're not going to jam up because the muscles are preventing the motion and causing that joint to jam. So getting rid of that provided substantial relief, and now it just gets to that, okay, what's going to be safe for you? So one, a balanced strengthening program that involves core and hip and low back strengthening that are simple and efficient use of his time, which is 3 exercises. And then lastly, just understanding, okay, in that safe zone, twisting is not going to be very safe to do for prolonged or extensive activities, such as painting a room or even painting a ceiling, where you're going to be doing a lot of reaching and twisting and getting up on ladders. And so if we know it's not in the safe zone, we want to minimize the amount of time that we're putting in that area because it's likely to cause more pain. So, brief case here, and we want to just get into the situation with twisting in the back because it's something that people report frequently, especially when you have arthritis. Let's avoid that and replace it with something like getting our feet and hips into a better position. And if you need a custom movementrx, we have that so that you can be free of pain.